Have you ever wondered what it feels like to discover a letter that speaks directly to your heart, written by someone who deeply understands the struggles of life? Welcome to our exploration of the book of First Peter, a gem found in the New Testament of the Bible. Let's journey through this letter, crafted by the Apostle Peter, a loyal follower of Jesus. First Peter is written to encourage Christians who are facing trials and persecution. It promotes a message of hope, emphasizing how even in suffering, there's profound purpose and the promise of salvation.
At its core, First Peter reminds us to hold fast to our faith during life's turbulent storms. The book begins with a pivotal message of hope and assurance. First Peter 1.3 proclaims, "Praise be to the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ. In His great mercy, He has given us new birth into a living hope through the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead." Here, Peter highlights that through Jesus, believers have a living hope, a hope that's grounded in something everlasting. Moving through the chapters, Peter delves into the theme of obedience and holiness. In 1 Peter 1.16, he writes, "Be holy, because I am holy." Holiness, as Peter describes, isn't about perfection, but about setting oneself apart for a greater purpose.
A key teaching in this letter is about enduring suffering. 1 Peter 4:12-13 offers wisdom. Do not be surprised at the fiery ordeal that has come on you, but rejoice inasmuch as you participate in the sufferings of Christ. Peter reassures believers that their trials are not only normal, but are opportunities to grow closer to Christ. The final message of the book centers on humility and stewardship. 1 Peter 5:7 beautifully advises, "Cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you." It reminds us that even amidst life's challenges, we're not alone. In conclusion, 1 Peter is a heartfelt letter designed to offer guidance and assurance to those navigating difficult times. It expresses that faith, perseverance, and hope are pivotal ingredients in a Christian's journey. So whether you're new to the Bible or looking to deepen your understanding, 1 Peter is a profound source of encouragement and strength that speaks across the ages.